Today we have the simplest way possible for you to start Etsy dropshipping, right? And we're going to go from completely having no products, no niche, nothing, to a whole layout, the niche, the products, everything that will launch you a successful store. So I'm going to show you the concepts of how we go about finding this stuff, but if you want to copy this directly, it may not have the same results for you because it's probably going to get saturated after this video. Right, so if you do want to learn more about Etsy dropshipping, be sure to join our Discord. It's in the description. And on a little note, you'll have to excuse my voice. I've got a bit of a chest infection, which led to a bit of a bad cough. So what we're going to do is, I see home decor here. Okay, so let's scroll through this, and you'll see on this first page, it's pretty generic, right? It's just pretty basic stuff. So now let's niche it down. Okay, so that's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. That's cool. You see? So we build up some pretty cool products, Halloweeny stuff. That's pretty cool. Right, and we then just go through, and now we just want to go, let's see what the data says. Okay, so it peaks around there, and other than that, it pretty much flatlines. So goth home decor, gothic home decor, okay, occult decor. Let's look at this. Okay, so we're not getting much for that, but we do have some pretty cool products here. So what we want to be doing now is we want to be analyzing these stores. So we've got here, so this is all they sell. Okay, this is what they are selling. So it's all in this gothic niche. And now we want to see, when did they start? 2021, and they've only done 1,500 sales. Okay. Here, 2,100 sales, you know, so they're doing all dark stuff. Let's look when they first made a sale. Oh, wrong button, sorry. Okay, 2021 again. What about this store? This store looks like it's just rugs in general. Okay, so let's avoid that. What about this one? This one looks like it's pretty general too. Okay. But then you've gone through these stores and now you've got some ideas, right? So, okay, so they're selling clocks. They've done 800 sales, 11 pages of reviews. When did they start? 2019. Okay, so we definitely don't want to be in that. And just to premise, I've done no research for this video. This is all on the fly, so it can either flop or it can either do well. Right, so we are actually going to go live through the research process. So here, okay, so they started in 2021. Then we got this rug store, 292 sales. Can't see what they sell. October 2022. So they've done 300 sales in a few months. You know, this is definitely something that you can look at. You can decide whether this is for you. You know, let's see how they're doing it. So they've only got 37 listings. If you're wondering why it looks like this, it's because they just pay for the Etsy subscription. So they've got pretty nice photos here, right? But are they having enough? You know, so this rug space could be a good one to go into, right? So let's see if we can source some of these rugs. Let's find this one. Let's find this one. So this is just a neat little app. Extension, sorry. Okay, so it's finding stuff related, but it's found that. It's kind of finding similar stuff, but now let's see which was that first one again. Spider web rug. Okay. So we're getting some ones here. There's the 8-ball pool one. Let's open this up. Okay, so what can we do here? Not much data being shown for it, so let's go back here. 8-ball pool rug. That's cool. Okay, there's a lot. Okay, there's a lot of salads for it. So that maybe means, can you get into something different? You know, like this. 8-ball pool lighting and such. But I think we'll leave that, and what we'll do is we'll scroll down to see what's similar. Okay, that's pretty cool, right? So this is pretty cool, this is pretty cool, this is pretty cool. And now we open these up. Nice photos. Okay, so we got this one now. We've got this one, this one, this one, this one, this one. Right, now we'll check this one. Okay. That's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. That's definitely cool. That's very cool. That's cool. Cool. You see here? Look out. Look. We've now got all of these cool rugs. We know rugs sell, right? And we're just getting up as many as possible, okay? In a range of niches, right? Because the premise is around the rugs. And all you need to do to find more is come down, scroll down. Products like this, there's a new one. You see? There's a new one. There's a new one, there's a new one, there's a new one. Right? So you've now got all of these products ready to go. And because we are selling a rug, right, you can use the same template across all of your listings. So, you know, it could be Porsche home decor rug, you know, and separate it. And then, you know, it can be about home decor, car enthusiasts, gifts for men, that type of stuff in your keywords. You'll have to look into that a bit more. But then you can then use the same template across all of your listings, you know, so it's the same framework for the title, but then just a couple keywords change based around what it is. And then the same again goes for the description. Like this here is a terrible description, right? So that's something to look out for, is you want to have a well-structured description. I've gone over that in a couple videos, and we do have some examples again in our Discord. That's discord.gg/Etsy, right? So you want it to be nice, short, easily digestible. Don't overwhelm them, but answer all of their problems too. You want to sell to them through emotions, right? And that is the best way to sell on Etsy. So then what you want to do is you want to be getting your listings out every single day. You want to get to 25, 30 listings, right? It sounds like a lot, following that template design and copying and, you know, duplicating listings using the Etsy way of doing that. You know, press the settings cog and click copy. It saves you so much time, right? And you can get a store up and running using this formula very, very quickly. Right, so let's just take a look here. Okay, so not sure what's got. That's that home decor rug. Okay, boom, boom, boom. Right, a lot of listings, a lot of very boring listings, right? So this is where you can stand out. Just take a look here. Nice little store here. Okay, they're not rug focused. Let's try and find a rug focused store. 1,133 sales. And look, they just sell these kind of boring rugs. Right. How long have they been in business? So since October. You know, so it's basically a game of get what you can up. Make sure your whole store is neatly designed, neatly branded. Everything is set up, all of the correct information. So you want your logo, your motto, your location. Get that first review in. Nice personable approach over here, your banner. Set up all of your policies, get your sections done, and get to 30 listings, right? That's what you want to focus on. That should be your first week on Etsy. It should be doing that. Then look at your data, see how well you're doing. And if it's a flop, it's a flop. You haven't invested money in, right? Move on, get past it, see what you can do differently, and learn, right? So that is this is the purest foundation to growing on Etsy organic. And if you do this, you're going to have a very, very successful time. But if you like this video, be sure to leave a thumbs up. And again, comment, 3, 2, 1 in the comments so I know you've watched it all. And any questions, comment them below and I will get back to you.